The meeting between Sri Narayana Guru and Mahatma Gandhi at the Sivgiri Mutt under a mango tree is a famous historical event. A pivotal point in their discussion involved Gandhi's argument for the natural occurrence of different castes, comparing them to the varying sizes of mango leaves. Guru countered this by emphasizing that despite the differences in size, all leaves share the same taste and derive nourishment from the same sap, illustrating the inherent equality of all beings regardless of caste. This analogy significantly influenced Gandhi, prompting him to reconsider his faith in the Varna system. A century ago, on March 12, 1925, these two giants met at the Sivgiri Mutt in Kerala, their conversation becoming a pillar in the debate on caste equality and social justice. This was a humble yet historic meeting, a reflection of their common vision of an untouchability and caste-free India.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the centenary celebrations of Gandhi's visit to Sivagiri and his meeting with Sri Narayana Gurudeva in Delhi in the last week of this month. The program will be organized under the auspices of Sivagiri Mutt in collaboration with Gurudeva organizations like SNDP Yogam Delhi Union, Delhi Sri Narayana Kendra, Noida Gurudharma Pracharana Sabha, Delhi Sachidananda Swami Foundation, and other socio-cultural organizations like All India Malayali Association, Delhi NSS Union, Delhi Malayali Association, Delhi Marar Samajam, Delhi KPMS, and Vishwakarma Samajam. A 101-member organizing committee was formed in a meeting held at Kerala House in Delhi, under the chairmanship of Swami Sachidananda.
കനകമോടു കർവേണിമൺ പണികാന